The GARDENA 15120 SILENO City is a highly intelligent automatic robotic lawnmower that offers easy connectivity via Bluetooth and mows yards up to 2,700 square feet. With its patented streak-free technology, this lawnmower operates quietly at 57 decibels, allowing you to relax in your backyard without any disturbing noise. The boundary wire feature of the SILENO City ensures that the mower only mows the specified areas, while the collision sensors prevent any accidents or damage to your garden. This robotic mower is designed to work in all weather conditions and terrains, even on slopes of up to a 35% gradient. The do-it-yourself installation of the GARDENA 15001-20 SILENO City is user-friendly with all necessary instructions and components provided in the box. Being made in Europe and trusted by millions of home and garden owners worldwide, GARDENA provides quality garden tools in more than 80 countries.